Welcome to your guide on how to clean and care for your Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven. To keep your oven well maintained, it is recommended that you clean it after each use. Start by unplugging the unit from the outlet. Allow it to cool down to the point it's comfortable enough to touch. Empty the crumb tray by sliding it out of the oven and hand wash if necessary. If there is food splatter on the interior walls of the oven, use a soft, damp sponge to wipe away the mess. To clean the exterior of the oven and the control panel, wipe it with a clean, damp cloth. A non-abrasive liquid cleanser or mild spray solution can also be used. Apply the cleanser to the sponge, not to the oven surface before cleaning. Wash the wire racks, air fry basket, sheet pan, roast tray, and crumb tray in warm soapy water. Then rinse and dry thoroughly. You can use a non-abrasive cleaning brush to more thoroughly wash the air fry basket. If you're having trouble getting tough grease out, let the accessory soak in warm soapy water overnight, and it'll be much easier to scrub and wash off. It's recommended that you hand wash all accessories that come with your oven. If you want to place the wire racks or air fry basket in the dishwasher, you can do so, but note that it may cause some wear over time. Do not place the sheet pans, roast tray, or crumb tray in the dishwasher. If they are placed in the dishwasher, it may cause the finish to degrade. Thoroughly dry all parts before placing them back in the oven. To help cut down on cleanup, we recommend using parchment paper or aluminum foil before placing food on top of the accessories that come with the oven. Some quick tips. Do not cover the roast tray holes with parchment paper or aluminum foil. Instead, line the sheet pan with parchment paper or aluminum foil and make sure it's flush to the bottom sides of the sheet pan so it doesn't block the roast tray holes. If you're looking for more tips, tricks, and recipe inspiration, check out ninjakitchen.com.